Gatuko makia Tanyara kuhura njeki ruhonge ruru niguo kwandandura umithio uria umanaga naruo. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano giki, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto iraniire wirutiri wa thirikari ari gutigirira ruhonge ruru nirwaiyukio na njira igwete.
We have therefore a very rich inheritance. It's incumbent upon us to manage it well. If only because we will transform our lives and our children's lives if we do so. That is the opportunity before us. We can be a country whose natural resources are widely and fairly shared, and with enough left for posterity.
Nigeruto nioreti aria maramataga ruhonge ruru gutigirira na makinyanirio gai wa kigina na njira iria ndekithitio ni gatiba gatagati ga thirikari nene, thirikari cia kaunti undu umwe na muingi.
Those communities in which these riches are found have a special share in these riches. It is their land from which we will get these riches. It is only right that they receive a special share of the proceeds.
Niguo gwethema na nditimurano o ciothe kumana na wenji wa mahiga ma goro icigo-ini o ciothe, waragania ni guothetwo gukorwo ri na itemi inene undu ria ungitigirira gutiri anyiti itemi ma kungio wara.
Openness is necessary. That is why we have established a royalty sharing scheme in the ratio of 70-20-10 between the national government, the county government, and the communities in which these minerals are found. It is not good simply having a plan. That plan must be verifiable.
Iraniire TV, rito rekwa ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.